I think I'm supposed to know who she is. She looks familiar. Some Renaissance queen. Probably says right there in the bottom, but I can't read that. We're in our hotel room and we're gonna have a picnic dinner. Too many nights out. So tomorrow we go down to Cognac, and today I did laundry. Walked in the rain because I forgot my umbrella.
Had a nice lunch.
We had a nice lunch with Siri, and now we're just going to have a picnic dinner here at the hotel. I did go to the Abbey of Saint Germain today, just by accident. I had 45 minutes to wait for the laundry to get done. So just wandering around, see a church, go inside, and the Abbey of Saint Germain, which is one of the oldest abbeys here in the city, the church for the abbey is being restored back to its original 12th century or 13th century interior. And I've got a little video of that and some pictures. And that's really cool to see. It's important to remember that all these cathedrals, all these big churches were all painted on the interior and the exterior in an amazing kaleidoscope view. So I'll show you that, show you the rain, and that's it. Tomorrow we head to Cognac. This is the update for jour 25. Hope that's right. Day 25. Tomorrow, jour 26. Let's keep the train going. Hope you guys are having a good time, enjoying these, and I'll see you tomorrow for jour 26. Tout à l'heure. Cheers. You don't have to go outside for a picnic. You can have a picnic on your bed with the information board from the hotel as your cutting board. Well, we won't cut on it, but it's our serving board.
It's our tabletop.
It's our tabletop. We got a couple of bottles of wine. I bought a rosé. It was €3. And I was going to leave it at that, but I saw this Corbières from the south of France. This is a wine on the Canal du Midi. So it harkens back to the original canal trips that we took. And it was €2.45. How do they even buy a bottle and ship it to Paris, let alone put anything in it for €2.45? Well, maybe I'll tell you how it is. Maybe I'll just drink it and enjoy it. There's our picnic dinner. I'm at the Abbey of Saint Germain. This is their church here in Paris. And this is what most people think of when they think of a old medieval church. This kind of gray stone, maybe some colored glass windows, and some statues of Mary and Saint Genevieve. But here at the church, they have been restoring it, turning it back to what it would have looked like in its medieval time. And look how beautiful the paint is here. What an amazing edifice. So ornately painted. Juxtaposition that with the old stone. When it was first built in the 1200s, it would have been painted like this, or something like this. Over the centuries, the paint fades and it was stripped, and we think of the churches looking like this. But they aren't supposed to look like this. I mean, they do, so aren't isn't really a good word. But originally, they would have looked more like this, which is really a kaleidoscope of color and beauty. We're in a little alcove here at a bookstore, and I thought this was going to be a passing shower, but who didn't bring their umbrella?
Me. I brought mine.
So Sarah could leave, but Suri and I are stuck. But Suri's got a raincoat, so she could leave, so I'm stuck.
Et voila.
C'est la
Et
vie.
voila.
This is how close we are in the elevator because it's quite tiny.
I'll have
Here
to
we
back
are.
up.
Beep, 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 beep. Oh my goodness. Now down the stairs. We're on the 5th floor. Siri's room. Our room.
Okay.
Come on over when you're done.
Okay.
Back to the picnic and the lady.
Smells like salty cheese.